We didn't have any showers on site at that point. Troublesome at times with the mobility issues. It was very basic. Yeah. It was outdated. We needed to update the bathrooms to make it easier for the residents and the staff. The salesman came round, took some measurements, took some photos. Really easy. Nice guy that came round. To be fair, it works really, really well. They were on hand for any questions that I had. They were really quick to respond to emails. I think I only ever had 2 telephone calls with them. The communication via emails was really, really quick. They sent through some plans and a little video of what it can look like once they took all the measurements and put in the equipment that they were going to install. The reason why we chose aged care bathroom was basically because of the ease of contact. The information that we were given with everything that we asked for. We weren't being like some other companies at times to fob you off. The engineer that came out to do the fitting, really pleasant. Now the residents have got a choice between do they want a bath, do they want a shower, which is a massive choice. It means so much to the residents as well. From start to finish it was such a speedy process and so easy to communicate. We're renovating upstairs as well, so we'll be coming back to you guys for that as well. You can go with aged care bathrooms.